It's right there.
Yeah. That's from Grandma Annie. Oh. Wow, those are pretty. Daddy, you see those?
Wow.
Those are pretty gold earrings, huh?
Can I wear them?
Yeah.
Please?
No.
Can I wear one, you wear the other?
Yeah.
Can sister wear one?
Sit down, please.
Can sister wear them?
No, mine.
Okay, Mom. Alright, this one says, Dear Jeanette, happy birthday, love, Grandma Annie. Okay, you gotta open this up and keep it inside.
Princess Disney, feel it, Mommy.
Ooh, it says, you're 5.
Look, Cinderella.
Oh, look, it's a little door hanger hanging on your door. Look, it says, shh, Princess sleeping inside, and the other side says, oh, Her Highness will see you now. It was Dear Jeanette, a beautiful girl full of joy and delight, with twinkling eyes and a smile just as bright. She must be a 5-year-old princess, all right. She's sparkling, she's special, she's you. Happy birthday, Princess. Love you very much, Grandma Annie.
Happy to you.